Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, September 19th. I was looking for follow through on Friday. I thought we might get a little push here to the upside. Didn't happen here in the NASDAQ market. Fairly quiet. I'm looking for more of the same on Monday. I don't expect a big range up or down, but a range that could easily match what we see here on Friday. Let's talk about those currencies. And what we see here is the dollar got stronger across the board when it comes to these currencies. The euro did back off. Can we get much further down? Yes, we certainly can. I don't look for a big day down, though, on Monday. I look for a relatively conservative day, unchanged or slightly lower for that market. Interest rates, I'm bearish on these. And today, we looked for an inside day. This is fine. But I want to see a down day on Monday. Not a big move down, but I want to see consistency of downward pressure because that leads well into the rest of the week. In the gold market, it needs a reason to do something. It just doesn't have that reason. It is approaching a level, though. We expect this market to slow down. So a sideways move, I think, here also would be logical. The crude oil market is very interesting. It's behaving properly, I think. You know, we had talked before, or maybe it was in the advanced video, about $43, but being a level that the market would test. We have a stronger dollar, weaker crude oil prices make sense. I don't look for a stronger move down. I don't think it's going to have fundamental drivers on Monday to cause that. So I'm looking for a relatively quiet day, unchanged, when it comes to Monday's action. In the soybean market, well, we traded above that bullish level. How about that? And the magnitude change between the bearish and bullish levels in that market is $750 a contract. My feeling for Monday is an unchanged to slightly higher, a very quiet type day for Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful weekend. Looking forward to being with you next week. And in the meantime, take care.